Hello my people, this na Ororobata 20 km for world news. First to do, the pain. Na second to do, na the pain enter bone well. The Director General of World Health Organization WHO, Tedros Adhanom don warn say increase for corona matter for the country wey don remove the lockdown go bring the lockdown back if dem no dey careful well for the matter. According to Chinese news agency Xinhua, China don successfully launch carrier rocket wey dey carry satellite and even send missile and other things go outer space. Na better waka for their plan to build space station. The American representative to Afghanistan don carry waka to talk to Taliban representative for Doha, capital of Qatar, with officials from India and Pakistan to support to suspend fight and katakata for Afghanistan. Na so US Department of State talk am. Nigeria Presidential Task Force for corona matter don cry and complain and tear body about the wuru wey truck wey dey carry food dey hide people inside the truck from state to state. Dem say we no dey follow the guideline wey dem put for ground for small by small reopening of the economy. Haba!